Hi everyone! For today's video, we will talk about percentage decrease. So let's define percentage decrease. Percentage decrease tells us how much a quantity has gone down compared to its original amount, expressed as a percent. So for our formula, we have the decrease percent is equal to old value minus new value divided by old value times 100. So let's apply this one in a problem. A jacket originally cost 1,200. It is now on sale for 960 pesos. What is the percentage decrease? So let's use letter D for decrease percent. And then O for the old value minus N for the new value over old times 100. So let's identify the old amount. We have 1,200 and then the new amount is 960. So let's substitute. O is 1,200 minus 960 for the new divided by the old value, which is 1,200 times 100% is equal to, what is 1,200 minus 960? Okay, that is 240 divided by 1,200. Again, times 100% is equal to 240 divided by 1,200 is 0.2. Times 100, that is, so this is your 0.2. Move 2 units to the right, 1, 2. Okay, so our answer here is 20%. So let's proceed to number 2. A family's monthly rent decreased from 15,000 to 13,500. What is the percentage decrease in rent? So we have the old value is equal to 15,000. New value is equal to 13,500. So for our formula, we have decrease percent is equal to old value, that is 15,000, minus the new value, which is 13,500, divided by the old value again, 15,000, times 100. So let's compute 15,000 minus 13,500. And that is 1,500. So divided by 15,000. So we can cancel zeros here. 0. And then another 1. So what is 15 divided by 150? So that is, okay, 0.10 times 100%. That gives you 10%. Okay, so the decrease in rent is only 10%. How about if we derive a formula? If we are looking for the new value. So we have decrease percent is equal to old, let me write, minus new over old. So again, multiply this one. So that is decrease percent times the old value. And the remainings on the right side are old value minus new. Next, since we are computing for the new value, okay, so all we have to do is to move negative new to the left side. So our new formula will be old, copy this, and then the decrease percent times old, move it to the right side. Minus, since this is positive, make it minus, so D percent times old. So again, our formula for this is new is equal to old minus decrease percent times old. How about if we're looking for the old value? So again, let's have decrease percent is equal to old minus new over old. Cross multiply, so we have old times decrease percent is equal to old minus new. Move your negative new to the left side. Also copy old value times decrease percent. Negative new will be positive new is equal to copy old. So these are the two formulas that you will be using to compute for old and new value. Alright, so let's apply this one to our next given. Number 3. A bag costs 2,000 pesos. It is on sale with 15% discount. So, it says there that it's on sale. What is the sale price? So, we're looking for the new price of the bag. So, we have new is equal to old minus old times decrease percent. So, we have new is equal to, what's the value for old? That is 2,000. Minus, again, 2,000. Multiply it by 15%. So, again, 15% will be 15. Move from here. 2 units to the left. 1, 2. So, what is 2,000 times 0.15? Okay. Okay, so let's multiply 2,000 times 0.15. So we have 5 times 0. Okay, so what is 2,000 times 0.15? And that is 300. So let's subtract 2,000 minus 300. That is 1,700 pesos. So the new value will be 1,700 pesos. How about number 4? A cell phone originally cost 80,000 pesos. It is now 20% off. So how are we going to compute for this? We use new formula. So new is equal to the old minus the old times decrease percent. So we have old value is 18,000. Minus 18,000 times 20%. So what is 18,000 times 20%? So that is 3,600. So copy 18,000. 18,000 minus 3,600 is 14,400 pesos. Okay, so the new price will be 14,400 pesos. So try it yourself. Number 5. The price of an electric fan was reduced by 15%. If the original price was 2,000 pesos, what is the new price? Comment down your answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Math Teacher Gon. Thank you!